Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is my birthday. And this came in the mail. Oh, I might need help with this one. Yeah, I don't have the strength to hold it. Give me the camera, and you do the opening. This came in the mail, and we're both like, I said, did you buy me this? He said, no, I didn't. And I said, oh, I wonder who sent it. And I had just woke up from a nap, and I went in and sat down, picked up my phone, and Dory from Dories Dolly said, call me when you can. So I called her, and she told me that she had sent this doll. Thank you, Darren. I have some injuries that I'm still dealing with, and I can't force my hand or it backfires. Look, Dory, they've gift wrapped it for you. She said there was no way to leave a note in here to say who it was from. Well, oh gosh, she's gorgeous. Oh my. Barbie's signature, oh, look at her. Now I'm standing here wondering, do I open her or leave her in the box? I have a couple other birthday wishes, and I used to get them out for our birthdays and put them up for the whole month. I haven't done that in a while. I'm going to start that again because we are, you can call it spring cleaning. We just need to clean. I mean, I've just accumulated so much. Dory, this is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot thank you enough. Look at her shoes. How cute is she? I love
those
face.
curls.
Yeah, on her face.
I do want to see those out.
I know, but she's so gorgeous.
I know.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.